Hai, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fadli, Ikhwan from 12 Sense 1. I'm here. I will tell you how to use a mechanical pencil. First of all, open this cover. Like this. Second step, open the pencil hole cover, which is located at the top. Second step is put in pencil in mechanical pencil. Like this. Third step, close the pencil hole, and then press the top edge of the pencil cover with your thumb, and contents of the pencil will come out. And then pencil ready to use. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.